So I got this question. Someone is asking how to send money from Turkey to Kenya. And I think I have actually made a video previously on my channel, Takenya AI Mom. And I share some of the ways that I personally use, okay, to send money to Kenya, okay? I don't know about others, but I think the methods that I have actually used, they are awesome. Like they do it faster than other ways. Now I'm going to mention some of them that I know personally, and if you can, you can try. If you can't, it's okay, you can find other ways. Now number one, which is major one that I always, maybe I'll say I'll always use, it is M-Pesa through mobile transfers. We have agents here in Turkey, men and boys, let's just say girls and boys, who are doing the business of actually being an Safaricom M-Pesa agent. And if you know one, you have to make sure that you know at least one who is genuine enough, so that you can send them the money. If you have an IBAN is Turkish account number, like you transfer the money in Turkish lira to their account, and then they're gonna convert the money, like they're gonna send it to your M-Pesa, because they deal with M-Pesa agents. Okay, now how do you find this kind of people, or maybe this kind of agents? Number one, through friends. If you have close friends who know them, they can tell you. The other way is actually joining Turkey groups, Kenyans who are in Turkey. We have someone there, we have agents there. You can just ask anyone who do the money, the M-Pesa services. They're gonna give you some of the genuine ones. Okay, now another way is actually that is number one, M-Pesa mobile transfer. Now another way that I have personally used, it is through Western Union. Okay, like MoneyGrams and Western Union, I don't know if they are the same thing, but I use Western Union. It is way more let me just say higher in terms of cost, but in terms of sending, but it is more safer. Okay, you just go to the bank where they do you Western Union thing, and then if you have your ID, and then they're gonna take the registration, like they're gonna uh, put in all your details for the person receiving the money, and that is it. You pay the fee, and then you send your money to Kenya, okay, even to Africa, to other countries in Africa. Okay, so that one I know for sure it is working in Turkey. Another way, I'm not sure if it is still working in 2026, it is through apps like Wise. Okay, we have these apps that are actually money transfer. They do the transferation of money. Okay, another way is through RIA, or maybe what we call UPT. You go to KCB Bank, they do that service.